3 million miles of overhead electrical cable, another 100,000 miles of buried cable make up the U.S. power grid, a grid that keeps electricity flowing from power plants to your outlets. But as demonstrated by Thursday's power outage, this grid may even need more miles of cable to prevent blackouts in the future. On a conference call today, the president of the North American Electric Reliability Council said they don't know the cause yet.
But we do know we had maybe a dozen or more transmission lines that relayed out. We have maybe 100 generating plants that relayed out. And putting this together will be a chore.
Critics say they relayed out because the power grid is too much like a line of dominoes, where each domino represents a local power company. When there's a failure at any point along the line, other companies have to send energy to compensate, and sometimes that compensation can exceed what the lines between them can carry, especially in times of high demand. That result? Cascading outages.
These power systems shut down to prevent damage to equipment from the surge. Measures have been put in place to stop the wave of outages.
You want to isolate the problem to the smallest area as possible, and that works 99.9% of the time. Unfortunately, this one cascaded.
Although it may happen infrequently, experts believe that to avoid this cascade in the future, the power grid needs to be like an interstate system with plenty of on and off ramps. These ramps allow cars to take alternate routes to avoid congestion. The power grid needs more lines so that when one system fails, power will flow around it. Steve Bray, Wish TV, News 8.